if you had to give one ultimate tip for business success, what would it be?
I think naivety is a superpower. And I think if I look back on kind of the journey we've had, there are so many things that if I knew what I knew now, like I just wouldn't have done them. And I think don't let people tell you that it can't be done. Don't let people kind of dampen your vision when you're super clear about what you want to do and how you want to do it. And I think I was so naive about the candle making and how we actually made refills. Like every big brand we went to speak to told us it wasn't possible, you can't do it. And actually I went away and figured out how to do it, and I was very naive about how to figure it out. And then we found a candle maker who would do it because we'd already figured it out. And I think if we'd have just listened to them and they just told us it's not possible, you can't do it, we just wouldn't have got anywhere, I think. And the same with the pottery. Like we've been able to scale the pottery, stoneware pottery, which everyone will tell you can't scale. Any potter will be like, you can't scale it, it's not scalable. But actually that complete blind naivety that I've had has actually meant that we've been able to do, and we've been able to break down barriers, and we've been able to get so much further ahead than like any of our competitors in terms of what we're doing. So I'd say be naive, be naive. Don't let anyone tell you you can't do it, and don't take no for an answer. Just keep going if you truly believe in it, but also be really clear about what you're trying to do.